more interested in the box than the presents, huh? This is for you. Yeah, you. Elsa, your present's next. Ready? Oh, she's already mouthful.
Okay, there you go, Elsa.
What is it, Elsa? What is it? Is that for you? Oh, wow. She's smart.
Then open it all up.
Wow, look at that dinosaur. That's all for you. Okay, that's enough with the paper. Yay. Be careful. Bye. And there she goes. Is that yours? Aww. Fold the couch.
Girl.
Oh, wow. I wonder what this gift is. Ready? I'm going to start my stocking.
Why is this one?
Ooh. Some masks. Nice. Got some sheet masks. Oh, I needed this. Some deodorant. I don't stink that bad. Not all the time. Ooh, some under eye masks. Nice. Hair. Love that. I did ask that. Oh, I'm doing the whole stocking. Is that okay?
Yeah.
We're going to do one at a time, weren't we?
That's fine.
Sorry. This is... I already had this. Oh, what the hell? I was looking for this the other day too. My mom gave me this. Is that my whole stocking?
Yeah.
So
Well,
two
no,
repeats?
some of the stuff is still coming in the order that hasn't arrived yet. Ooh, men's vitamins. First aid kit.
You need that.
Oh, nice.
Some hand
Hand
cream.
cream. That'll be good. Especially with my ice fishing, it gets a little dry.
Yeah, that's something I got at Canadian Tire or Home Hardware.
Oh, nice. Deodorant. Digital pocket thermometer. Is this for meat?
Yeah.
Oh, nice. Perfect.
I know I didn't get the same one, but the one that you had was like $50.
But this one's better because I can put it in and leave it. Never leave thermometer in oven, grill, or microwave. Never mind.
3, 2, 1. This one's for you.
Oh, a little mallard. Thank you.
That was mine. Thank you. It's Jack.
And quack.
Jack. Okay, we're gonna open up the rest of our gifts and catch you guys later, and I'll show you my favorites. I mean,
Which are all of them?
all of them are my favorites. I'm grateful for all of them because I'm a grateful person. Look at this quality wrapping.
Pickle Rick.
I wonder what this could be. Wow, we're the cutest couple. In our matching PJs and our magic.
Magic Street.
Matching Pickle Rick slips. Oh, who's that from?
To Steve from Santa.
Oh.
I feel like you'll listen to it more than I will, but that's good.
Cool.
Oh, my cap. That's very nice.
You said you wanted a flat cap. Oh, that looks super nice, Steve.
Does it suit me?
It does. It really suits you. So handsome. Go look at yourself.
All right. Do I look like House?
Yes. I like the old timiness of it. It's really unique looking. Cool. 22. Another Lindor. Good morning, guys. It is December 23rd. This should be the final Vlogmas because I truly don't see a way that I'm going to be able to film, edit, and post a vlog during actual Christmas since we will be at our parents' house and we'll be spending quality family time. But yesterday, Steve and I did our own Christmas. We opened up all our gifts, cleaned up the house. One of my gifts was a record player, which you guys would have seen. We went to the record store, bought a bunch of records, and now our collection is growing quite a bit, and that makes me really happy. And it's just been so nice guys to play the record and listen to the entirety of the record too. I at first didn't really get why people like record players and like vinyl so much, since we have everything at our fingertips with Spotify, but I completely get it now. After listening to a record, you're just like able to listen from beginning to end. There's no such thing as pause. There's no such thing as rewind, really. Like, you can lift the little guy, the little stylus, but not really. Like, you want to just enjoy the whole thing, and it's really fun and interesting. And we picked up a few that were like $2 or $5, and honestly the $2 piano one is really great in the morning or like in the afternoon, evening, when we're just having a tea and sitting around. So that's been really fun. But yeah, we opened up our gifts yesterday. We're going to go to our parents' houses and do their Christmases as well. Today's the 23rd, so hopefully we can make it, but it looks like it's gonna be a snowstorm again today, so obviously we'll make our best judgment. If it's really snowy, we won't, but we will see. Other than that, yesterday was just really chill. We spent like the whole morning opening gifts and being festive, and then went to the record store, came back. I cleaned up the house because the best thing to come back to is a clean house after the holidays or being away. I'm also taking a trip in the new year, so I'm gonna take you guys with me there, but I'm trying to think of what else is new that I can update you guys with. There's honestly not that much new. That's the fun thing about Vlogmas, but also like a hard thing. I noticed the longer I go with Vlogmas, the shorter the vlogs get, because I truly just don't have anything to update you guys with. Oh, I did get a new yoga mat as well, which I'm going to use this morning. This morning I have a dress rehearsal online. It's with one of my students. It's from 10 to 12, so I'll be busy with that, but I will show you guys the yoga mat at some point during this vlog. Other than that, life's been pretty chill, which is good. It's always a good thing when things are chill. So I'm gonna have my bagel, breakfast, and then catch you guys later, I suppose. All right, guys, we made it to Steve's parents' house. It is snowing so much. The drive wasn't the worst, but it wasn't the best, but it was definitely on the worst side. It wasn't the best, but we made it. It was stressful. To add on to the stress this morning, my TikTok account got banned, which is the reason I look like this right now. And I also poked myself in the eye, which is the reason it's swollen. It's just been that kind of a day. And honestly, now that we're here, it's snowing so much again. Look at that. It's so pretty. I'm grateful that we're inside right now because that drive was not fun. Steve was driving, so it wasn't as stressful for me. Still stressful though. But anyways, we're here. Gonna go spend some quality time with family and catch you guys in a little bit. It's honestly not been a good start to the day because I woke up and literally my TikTok account was banned. And like, not to complain, especially over the holidays, because there could be far worse things, but added to some other personal things I've been going through, I'm like, oh, really? Just to add onto that? But you know what? It's the holidays and staying focused on positivity. I tried to appeal it because it got banned because they thought I was under 13, which I'm almost 30, which it's not really a compliment at that point. So anyways, I tried to appeal. It got denied. I tried to appeal again. Fingers crossed, putting out good energy into the world right now because I just put so much time and effort into it, and it's a means of income for me now. So I'm like, really, I really need the income. So anyways, we're here. I'm grateful. I'm happy. I'm gonna go spend time with family. There's nothing I can do at this point with that. I'll update you guys, but that's that. So I'll catch you guys later. I guess I'll film what we do. It'll be really fun. They're already starting some activities downstairs, and I'll take you guys along with me. We're going to my mom's in a few days as well. It is the day before Christmas Eve, so it's the 23rd. It's still the 23rd since I talked to you last, so I'll catch you guys later. So pretty here. Look at all the snow. All right, guys, it is currently the 24th of December. If you recognize this background, it's because this is where Steve and I used to live, fun fact. But I'm going to do a class right now from 10:30 until noon. I'm teaching, and I just finished like editing and cutting a bunch of music for our performance. So that took about like maybe an hour. Yeah, that was a lot of cutting, but it was good. So I'm going to go into the class and catch you guys in a bit. We had dinner last night and just kind of chilled, played some games. And I think today we're doing some Secret Santa gifts. Walter, do I have your permission to put you on the vlog?
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
What are you doing, big boy?
Oh my goodness. That's okay. Whoa!
Looky there.
Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Smile. Merry Christmas Eve. Always.